Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy M23 and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So basically all you have to do is to simply open the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it using two different ways. So if you've got the gestures, just like me, all you have to do is to simply swipe your finger up gently and hold it right in the middle, and you will be able to enter the recents then. But if you've got three buttons navigation type, then you will have to tap on the button, probably with three bars icon or the square icon, I'm not really sure. Something like that. So let me enter the recents, and as you can see here we've got all previously opened apps, and of course if you want you can close only one of it, just find it and swipe it up just like that. But if you'd like to close all of them, or you've got a lot of apps opened and you do not have the time to close them manually, just tap on close all. And as you can see, we just got back to the home page, so let's enter the recents. And here we've got no recent items, which means that we just successfully closed all background apps. So actually this is it. This is how to close running apps in your Samsung Galaxy M23. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.